How to light up a Coleman Presidential 2 furnace pilot. One. Lower the temperature of the thermostat. 2. Remove the front panel of the furnace by pulling it upward and out. 3. Twist and remove the cap. The glass on the cap is very old, and it will look like it needs cleaning. Don't be tempted to clean it, as the glass could crack. It is best to leave it alone. 4. Light up an extra long lighter, preferably one that is 18 inches long. Extra long incense sticks would also do the job. 5. Slide the red lever to the set position, and while holding it on the set position, insert the extra long lighter and light up the pilot. 6. Keep the red lever in the set position for 30 seconds. 7. Let go of the red lever, and it will go back to the on position. 8. At this point your pilot should stay on. 9. Place and twist the cap back on. 10. Set the temperature on the thermostat back to your liking.